Welcome to the SWAYAM course on Introduction to Robotics. I am Professor Ashokan from the Department of Engineering Design at IIT Madras. I am offering this course along with two of my colleagues as a bridge course to enable students from various disciplines to understand the basics of robotics and to prepare them to take advanced courses in robotics at a later stage. Robotics, as you know, is a fascinating field. There is a lot of interest among students to learn the basics of robotics and to see how they can build robots and make robotic applications based on the advanced technologies available. So, on the screen you can see various kinds of robots being used in different applications. What you are seeing here is an underwater robot being used for underwater applications like inspection, salvaging of underwater objects, or inspection of underwater structures. And here you see industrial robots being used in industry for various applications like tending to a machine or to carrying out welding operations or to do painting, pick and place assembly like that. And what you are seeing is very common nowadays, the aerial robots, which we call it as drones, and there are applications of robotic technology in the space also. And here you see mobile robots, which are wheeled mobile robots. Nowadays these robots are being developed in order to use it under various terrains, and of course what you are seeing here is the humanoid robots which are being developed to mimic the behavior of human and to have features, capabilities like human. Any student or anyone who wants to develop such robots need to have some basic understanding of the kinematics, dynamics, control, as well as the hardware and software needed for making such robots. Therefore, any student who wants to learn robotics should have some basic understanding on the mechanical, electrical and computer science aspects related to robotics, and this course is basically framed to give them the necessary knowledge so that they will be able to learn robotics and then become good robotics engineers. In this course, we will focus on the kinematics of industrial robots, the electrical actuators and controls, and the perception and localization applied to robotics. The contents of this course has been divided into 4 modules. The first module will be focusing on the basic introduction to robotics. Those who are new to the robotics field, we will be giving some basic introduction, and then we will look into the applications of robots, various applications of robotic technology in different fields, and cover a little bit on the loss of robotics and other historical aspects. The module 2 will be on the industrial robots. We will talk about the robot mechanisms and kinematics. In kinematics, we talk about the coordinate transformations, DH parameters, then forward kinematics, inverse kinematics, and differential kinematics, which includes the Jacobian, singularity, etc. And we will analyze the industrial robot statics also. These 2 modules will be taught by me. In module 3, the focus will be on electrical actuators. As you can see on the screen, we will have DC motors, BLDC servo motors, then we have sensors, control and sensor integration. We will talk about various kinds of control like PWM, joint motion control, feedback control and computed torque control. And module 4 will be on the perception, localization and mapping and probabilistic robotics, including path planning of robots. So, this will be the contents for this course. As I mentioned, 3 of us will be teaching this course. The first 2 modules will be taught by me. I am Ashokan from the Department of Engineering Design, and the electrical module will be taught by Professor Krishna Vasudevan, who is from the Electrical Engineering Department, and the perception, localization and mapping and probabilistic robotics will be taught by Professor Ravindran from the Computer Science Department. I hope you will enjoy this course, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you very much. Happy learning.